Every woodworking shop needs lumber storage, and I'm going to talk a little bit about my lumber storage. It's all shop made from readily available materials. Behind me is the storage, and it will hold boards that are 14 feet long. The space between the bays is 20 inches, and the support arms are 20 inches long. So it's composed of 3 elements. There are stanchions, which are the uprights here, that are bolted into the frame of the building with lag screws. There are these support arms, which fit into the stanchions. And then there are base shoes that the stanchions tie into on the bottom, and any weight that's not carried by the building will be transferred down to the floor. The stanchions are basically a series of constructed mortises, and the arms are basically constructed haunched tenons in woodworking terms. And I'm going to tear one piece of it apart so you can see how we did it. I got this design from a woodworking book, and I think that the first one I saw was 100 years old. But the key is that all of the weight is transferred to the building itself. So each one of these bays will hold about 300 board feet of lumber. And so I've had these completely filled, so there's several tons of material at times, and so it needs to be pretty sturdy. Support arms also serve an additional function in that this level of support arms allowed me to build in-feed and out-feed tables for my chop saw. There's plenty sturdy, and then there is dust collection piping running underneath in brackets, again tied to the stanchions. Here are the base shoes that are tied in. Here's one of the finished ones where the centerpiece is actually a constructed dado that goes in, and there's a bolt there. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.